Hey guys, I just got in the new Thor 60 Elite thermal scope from ATN. Let's get it mounted up. First thing I'm gonna do is run the bubble level, make sure the gun's level. Once I got it level, let's prep the scope mount. Today we're going to use the TSO mounts QD mount for bolt guns. First thing we're going to do is put a little bit of Loctite down on these bolts. Now, normally I would check for eye spacing with the scope, but I've already done that, so we're just going to get the scope mount mounted up. We're going to initially torque it to 20 inch-pounds. Once it's torqued, there's 4 Allen heads in here to tighten up, and that will All right, let's put the scope on. Each one of our bolts, we're going to go ahead and put on a little bit of Loctite on these also. Once the Loctite's on, we're just going to snug them up a little bit, but allow the scope to still move freely in the mount. Now those are snug. Scope will still move freely, but we're going to go ahead and check the eye relief one more time. All right, once eye relief's good, we'll run the other level up here. Goes right on top. Then you just twist the scope until it's leveled up. And then we'll torque it down. 20 inch-pounds on the rings. And the rings are labeled in which order to torque. We'll torque until it clicks. One more time for level. She's still level. We're good to go. It's mounted up.